In the last 24 hours, we've seen a notable sentiment spike of plus 0.04 and a momentum increase of plus 0.81, suggesting a significant shift in business sentiment compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just noise, it's indicative of heightened optimism across 18 semantic clusters. Our Business Sentiment API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment scores, momentum, and topic clusters, allowing you to pinpoint where the excitement is brewing. Imagine using this insight to fine-tune your investment strategy or adjust your marketing campaigns in real time. With the current momentum, now's the time to capitalize on emerging trends before they peak. To dive deeper into this data and explore how you can integrate it into your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.